Adjusted RevPAR. Adjusted RevPAR, or RPAR, Adjusted Revenue Per Available Room, is a performance metric used in the hospitality industry. It is calculated by dividing the variable net revenues of a property by the total available rooms. See more formulas below. The difference between RPAR and other metrics, RevPAR, TrevPAR, GOPAR, is that it accounts for variable costs and additional revenues. Calculations. Various formulas can be used to calculate RPAR, where VARPAR is variable costs per occupied room. The most commonly used formula is how it compares to RevPAR. RPAR accounts for variable costs and additional revenues, thus it reflects the profit, bottom line, versus top line revenue. How it compares to GOPAR. GOPAR accounts for all costs, not only variable, and is retroactive. RPAR considers revenues from all departments and only VAR costs and can be used in forecasts. Conditions.